Hi there, and welcome to TwoBeard. So, what's TwoBeard? TwoBeard is a company or an organization and a site that provides video and text tutorial about graphic design, web design, and stuff like that. This is the first of a session of videos that's going to show you how to buy a web host, and how to get a .com domain, how to download and install WordPress, and how to change themes or even modify or create your own theme. But this is the first film in a session of several that we're gonna look at today. And today's task is how to buy a .com domain and how to get a web host to put your website in. So I'm only going to show you this on one site. This is a company that I work with for several years, and I feel comfortable working with them, and I think it's a good company. It's Danish, and it's called One.com. And the URL or the address to the site is One.com. And if you want to change the language on the site, you can go in the bottom here. Perhaps there's a Swedish text from the beginning, but you can change it to English if you want to. And this is a pretty affordable web host, and it has several good things and mostly only one bad thing. Today we're going to do it a little bit more rapidly. We're gonna show you how to get your own domain, and we're gonna buy one for myself, and I'm gonna choose the small package, 5 GB of storage, and it's gonna cost me €1.25 each year. This is pretty affordable. No, not each year, each month, sorry. So if I click on 5 GB, I come to this screen. Here they want me to get what name I'm gonna want to on my website. So you can type in your name, and you can also type in what kind of .com you want on your site. I'm gonna see if the .com domain is available on my site. And of course, I want to get a domain for this one, TwoBeard. So, type in TwoBeard. And I click on enter, and then it's starting to show if this is able, that I can choose this domain. And if it's not, it's going to give me some advice or thoughts on if it's not available. So we can see it. TwoB.com is taken. I printed TwoBeard. What happened? TwoBeards. All right, look again. And one of the discussion we can talk about is this a .com domain we want to, or is this a .sc domain? I think .com is pretty good. Even .sc is most about what sort of customer do you want on your website or like that. I have a little bit of a problem to get my domain registered. Take TwoBeards. SC instead. Next. Oh well, there you have it. And now we are coming through. They have changed the currents which you're paying in. So now it's recording in Swedish kronors instead. So for the web space in 12 months, it's 144 Swedish kronor. A .se domain has cost me 95 Swedish kronors each year, and a setup fee that's only going to come once is 150 kronor. I talked earlier about is only one bad thing about this company, and two things. If you want some help with them, you can't call them. You have to write emails or chatting with them. That's pretty okay. But one thing that that is more bad is that when one year after 1 year they're gonna send out a bill to pay, and they're sending it only to your web to your email account, and you have to be careful and look at the email account. In the end, it's gonna send you a bill to pay on the regular post, but in the regular mail. But then they have add more money to it because you're late with your payments. So just keep a sharp eye on your web account or your web mail. Here we have to type in some information, who I am, where I live, social security number. This is information that I'm not going to show you. Address and zip code and city, email, cell phone. Email here is very important, that you have an email that you look at often. And this question is the owner of the domain the same as the person above it? Most is yes. And when we come back, I've typed in all these numbers and I've clicked on the next button. So I think you should do it as well. So be right back. All right, here we are again. I clicked on the next button and here we are, new questions that we want to be answered. I'm going to pay with my credit card. So I'm going to click in this first one. You can do a bank transfer. And also you can do a Swedish in-paid form. I'm going to do it with a credit card. It's pretty safe, I think, to use your credit card here. I've done it a lot and I haven't been having any problem with it. Next step, terms. I've read terms of business. Of course, click on it and go through it. I accept terms for the .se domain, and I accept the EES registrations. These last two is the rules are about to get a .e domain. .se. Down here, you see that the payment has arisen since the page before. Why is that? This is the why. In Sweden we call taxes, or in Sweden we call it moms. 25% that add on the original amount of money, so that's why it's raised. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to type in my card name holder. It's me. And then I'm going to type in which type of card I have, card number, experience date, and security code. And then I'm going to click on buy. So when we're going to see each other next time, I've just clicked on buy. All right, here we are back again. I got my information that is okay, that my order has went through. Within 2 hours, they're going to send me codes and information for my new web space. And that's going to be in the next film. So this is the first film about how to get it. And in the second I'm going to show you around a little bit inside one.com, and I'm going to show you about some features this is inside there. So good luck with your registration.